You're watching Dr. Johnson's official YouTube channel. If you want to recover smarter and move stronger, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and start your recovery journey today.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Johnson. Welcome back to our rehabilitation program. Today we'll continue progressing your recovery step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our recovery sessions.
How are you feeling today?
My back feels stronger than last time.
In our previous session, we focused on core strengthening and functional exercises to improve stability. Today, we'll progress into dynamic balance and resistance training to further improve your movement control. I'm checking your posture again to see how your body alignment has improved. Stand on one leg and try to hold your balance. Now perform a small squat movement slowly.
I'm releasing the remaining muscle tension in the lower back. Now we'll begin dynamic strengthening exercises.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good. Engage your core now. Place the resistance band around your knees and squat slowly.
Okay, squatting now.
Good. Keep the knees aligned. Good. Keep your knees aligned and your core tight. Excellent. Maintain a steady posture. Step back slowly into a lunge and return to the starting position. Good. That's it. Practice these exercises at home 3 to 4 times per week.
Okay, got it.
Great. Consistency is key. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. Good. Keep that core engaged. How do you feel after today's session?
Much better, thank you.
Good. Let's activate your core now. Okay, gently activate your core now. Breathe in and out.
I'm more balanced and confident now.
Great progress today. Keep practicing your exercises and stay consistent with your rehabilitation. Okay, let's check your pelvic alignment. Breathe in for me.
Okay, breathing in.
Good. Now exhale and pull your core in tight. Okay, let's check your pelvic alignment. Relax here.
Okay,
Good. Now activate your core.
like this.
Perfect. Hold that. Okay, let's check your pelvic alignment. Breathe in for me.
Okay, breathing in.
Good. Now exhale and pull your core in tight.